This week in auto history.
Oh, boy.
Konrad has
Here
that.
we go.
So this week in 1930, the Chrysler Building was completed in New York City.
I remember it.
I'm not surprised. Beautiful Art Deco building. All that stainless steel on top of it. It is a stunningly beautiful building when you see it in person. In 1934, this week, outlaws Clyde Barrow and Bonnie Parker were shot to death by Texas and Louisiana state police officers as they attempted to escape apprehension in a stolen 1934 Ford Deluxe near Beanville Parish, Louisiana. Bienville, B-I-E-N-ville.
Bienville.
Yeah.
That's not going to rub out.
And then also in 1937, the Golden Gate Bridge opened for vehicular traffic this week. One of the world's largest single-span suspension bridges. The Golden Gate Bridge was designed by Clifford Payne. And you ever been on the Golden Gate?
Several times, yes, many times. Mm-hmm.
It's to say it's impressive would be an understatement.
The only thing is that the traffic moves too fast on it for me to really enjoy it as a driver. I mean, you got to be a passenger if you're going to go across it.
Well, but they also, there's a bike path on it and a walking path.
No.
Yeah.
You got to do it on a car.
Now, Becky went out there and walked it with one of the grandkids.
Well, that's perfect. You just go right ahead. And
No, I said Becky did, not me.
Okay.
Several jumping off points.
And yeah, really, lots of people have jumped off the Golden Gate Bridge. Few of them survived. In 1950, Preston Tucker's lawsuit against former prosecutors was thrown out of court. Tucker had been indicted for stock fraud after managing to produce 53 of his long-awaited Tucker
That
cars.
guy got screwed.
He did. And he got screwed by GM, Ford, and Chrysler.
All of them, yep, the three majors.
They all came
Trifecta.
together in a conspiracy to put him out of business. Yep. And they did, ultimately. In 1985, this week, the ashes of 71-year-old George Swanson are buried at his request in the driver's seat of his white 1984 Corvette in Hempfield County, Pennsylvania. So, see, Don, we can put you to rest inside your Corvette and put you underground.
There you go.
I don't want to spend that kind of money. Yeah. So I tell you what, crush the Corvette with me in it, then stick it in a little square hole in the ground. That'd be all right.
Okay, we'll tell Leslie.
There you go.
It won't be Leslie. It'll be the girls.
Okay, we'll tell the girls.
Yeah.
In 1991, this week, critically acclaimed movie Thelma and Louise debuted in theaters. Stunning audiences with a cinematic scene at the end of the movie as they drive off a cliff into the Grand Canyon in a vintage 1966 green Ford Thunderbird convertible. You also know what else happened this week in history? This is the week that Billy Joe McAllister jumped off the
Tallahatchie Bridge.
I don't know what year that was.
We would play the song, but we would be banned from, half the world because we played 15 seconds of some stupid
I was
song.
going to ask you to, but I knew better.
Don't even ask. No, we're not doing that anymore.
So can I sing it?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Go ahead. I want to hear it.
No, I can't.
No.
Well, do you know the words?
No.
Can you sing 10 or 12 miles from here?
I couldn't carry a tune in a bucket.
There you go.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
That's it. That's This Week in Auto History.
Well, that was really good. We enjoyed that.